What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I will be continuing my 30-day trying to learn the Python basics and um gonna be less videos as usual because it's not the summer anymore and back to classes, but I will try my best to pump out as much videos as I can while balancing everything else. So recap, true or false? Write a program that gets the input from the user in number 1 or 0. The program will output T if the input is 1 and F otherwise. Remember, you can cast the input by using ints to cast the input. So, let's see. Okay, so basically, we're just gonna get an input, make that input into an integer, and use some if statements to determine if it matches what the thing is asking for us. So let's just get value is equal to the int of the input of let's see, input. I think we put it in there. Put a value 1 or 0. Get some if statements. If um if value is greater than 0, then um print 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 you can pre printing T and else um print plus, and that should work because if we get a 1 it'll run that, if we get a 0 it'll run that. Put a value 1, input 1, put a value 1 0. Okay. uh okay, let's just get the input maybe. Yeah, okay, so this was, it works the same, it's just didn't match the exact thing with the exact thing. It's really specific when it comes to like the words and print statements. Okay, so bill split calculator. Our this looks like our first project, so let's get into it. Welcome message. In this project, you'll create a simple program that calculates how much each person needs to pay, including the tip. So every good program starts with a welcome message. So let's print the bill split calculator. Put that in our print statement. That should work. There we go. Okay. So getting input. After the welcome message, get two numbers float from the user that indicates the bill amount and the tip percentage in that order. Okay, so um pay amount, pay tip, and then that's gonna be a float of input. Yeah, float of an input is equal to the float of an input. So doing that, basically gets our float, gets our input and takes it as a float for our tip, and it has our bill amount. Create a bill tip calculator that that follows these steps. Prints, did that. Calculate the tip amount using the formula. Okay, add the tip amount to the bill to get the total. Okay, so tip amount. Alright, so we have a tip percentage, but tip amount is gonna be equal to the tip. pay tip divided by 100 times the pay amount, and I'm gonna add that tip amount to the total. So our total pay is gonna equal to the pay amount plus the tip amount, and then we're gonna print our final total pay. Yeah, so just doing a little calculation, adding that to our total pay, and then just printing that. So now splitting the bill. Add a program. It was okay. Add the program. Add to the program splitting feature. It will take an additional number int from the user that indicates that the number of splitting the bill. This will be the third input. Third input. Well, down here. Calculate the amount of people per person by dividing the total amount of number by the number of people, and then print another amount per person. So split. This is split people, and then it's gonna equal to the int of the input in which the user will put how many people there are, and then we're gonna calculate the amount per person by dividing the total amount by the number of people. So we're gonna do this. Let's add this and then divide by the splits, the amount of split people, and then we're gonna be printing another print of the amount of per person. Yeah, the amount per person. So which would be actually split total, and hold on, and we will put the print for the split total. So okay, so copy this equals put this back in the original, and then prints the splits total, and that should give us that 35.0. 35. Let's just say like this. Okay, for some reason I had to remove the print, so that was fine. Formatted output. So now the last step of this project is to format the output. For example, 100 build 5% output in the following format. Bill split that. So we have to put back the bill split output. It's kind of annoying, but he just made us remove it. So print, and what we're gonna print is that bill split calculator. The total um low key I'm gonna do total including tip and then split total same thing, just each person pays and then plus that. Good knock. Oh, I'm adding it. Okay, I forgot you put comma if you're trying to combine stuff in Python. Not JavaScript, so. Total bills per calculator, each the dollar sign. dollar sign, bam, and then bam. Okay, what if we remove this? Hmm. Okay, let's just try to do F. So F, quotation marks, that, and uh, um, total, including tip, and then we're gonna do the dollar sign, curly bracket of total pay. And I just want to see if this works. Um, it work. Um, so this and okay, we got it. Um, just taking this, um, that, this, and just use F as it's easier to combine the like string and variable without having like any real spaces. So this should, oh my gosh, this should be the splits splits total, and that should be our final. There we go. So I just had to fix the way I did the strings, but other than that, it's good. So yeah, and next will be loop. So this everything in here will be loop. So then get functions, another project, list. So now we're getting there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll try to be uploading more, and yeah.